So delicious.
Borrowed myself.
Hello my wonderful friends, thank you so much for tuning into this little vlog. Today I'm gonna show you around what I'm doing on Lanzarote and what I'm eating. I already have some amazing Santa Claus melon in front of me to start the day. And yeah, today is gonna be a really exciting day. My boyfriend is just in the shower getting ready for the day, and then we're gonna head out for a little road trip to a beach called La Famara. Gonna go surfing as well because that beach is really well known for amazing waves, and today is especially great conditions. So here is my breakfast, and here is Lanzarote. We're living very close to the beach, and yes, here's the beach, and here is the town, and here's our beautiful garden. And so let's try this amazing melon. So delicious. So the fruit quality here on Lanzarote is not the best, since Lanzarote is a desert island, so they are not really growing any fruit, even though I have seen some coconut palms. However, I don't have this tool to get the coconuts down, otherwise I would have definitely done that. But otherwise I haven't seen any fruit trees whatsoever here, and so they are most likely importing the whole, you know, papaya, banana stuff from La Palma and Tenerife, and probably also some stuff from the mainland. Yeah, but I've had some great papayas. Because it is an island and, you know, they're not growing it themselves here, I guess they are always cutting the papayas and refrigerating them wrapped in plastic. So if they cut them when they're not ripe, then they're not gonna get ripe. So it's sometimes a bit challenging to find ripe papayas. But I've had some really nice papayas, and I've also had some amazing cucumbers here. Like, the cucumbers are just the best. And some nice avocado, bananas, and some really delicious grapes. So yeah, all in all, I'm very happy with the fruit quality here. Really delicious, really pleasantly surprised with the fruit. Alright, so it's time to prepare something to bring with me on the trip. So let me show you what I have in mind. So I'm gonna bring 1 liter of pasteurized pineapple juice. So this is very delicious juice. It is a compromise. I usually don't drink pasteurized juice, but when I'm traveling I make an exception. Then I also have some water, 3 apples, and then I'm thinking about cutting these bananas into a lunchbox because they have some damage, so I want to cut that off and then sprinkle some blood orange over it. Alrighty, I ended up using 2 blood oranges and 4 bananas for this little lunch box, which I'm gonna seal. This is what my boyfriend is bringing. Very healthy as well. So this is everything I'm bringing now. I also decided to bring some cucumber and a peeler. So I just came out of the ocean to take a little water break, and the very first hour that I was in the ocean, it was really nice waves. By now the wind is very strong, so it's a bit hard to catch the waves, as you maybe see on the video that I just did of people surfing here. But it's just so nice to be in the ocean again and surf, and yeah, I just love it so much, and I wish I could do it every day. One day. But yeah.